Welcome to Penalty Mid Touch. A thief steals a car at 1:30 p.m. and drives it off at 40 km per hour. The theft was discovered at 2 p.m. and the owner sets off in another car at 50 km per hour. He will overtake the thief at. So what said that a car, this is a car, suppose this was stolen as at 1:30 p.m. right, and the theft is discovered at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. right. So what's the difference of time? Difference of time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It says it drives up, means a thief drives off it at 40 km per hour. So if a thief goes 40 km in 60 minutes, then in 30 minutes you will cover 20 km, right? And the owner sets off in another car at 50 km per hour. So 50 km per hour means the relative speed will become relative speed. Both are going at the same direction. It's going at 50 km per hour, it's going at 40 km per hour, so it will be minus, so it's 10 km per hour, right? So this 20 km was done by the thief. So after how many hours will that thief be caught? 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2 hours. Clear? So the theft was discovered, or the owner sets off at 2 p.m. So after 2 p.m. 2 hour means 4 p.m. 4 p.m. will be the right answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Moving to the next one. Next says a car can cover a certain distance in 4.5 hours. If the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, it would take not one but half hour less to cover the same distance. Find the slower speed of the car. So here we need the conception of speed is inversely proportional to time, or time is inversely proportional to speed. Here time is given. What is the first case? In the first case the time is, so we can say 4.5 hour. This can be said as 4.5, right? And in the next case, this is T1 and T2. This will be half hour less, means 4 km, right? So if we want to make a ratio, it will be 45 is to 40, means 45 is to 40. So 9, 8, right? So if S is means speed is inversely proportional to time, then speed 1, or we can say time 1 upon time 2 is equals to speed 2 by speed 1, right? Speed 2 by speed 1, right? So if T1 is to T2 is ratio of time, we can see 9 is to 8, then the ratio of speed will be 8 is to 9. It is S2 and it is S1, right? So what's the difference there? Difference is 1, whereas it said if the speed is increased by 5 km per hour. So the speed is 1 is equivalent to 5. So the question is of the find the slower speed of the car. So slower speed will be 8 into 5, 40 km per hour. Clear? 40 km per hour the answer. If it was asked the faster speed, then it would have multiplied by 9. 9 into 5, 45 would be the answer. If it would have asked the faster speed. Clear? Moving to the next one. Number 13. If a boy walks from his house to school at the rate of 4 km per hour, he reaches his reaches a school 10 minutes earlier than the scheduled time. However, if he walks at the rate of 3 km per hour, he reaches 10 minutes late. Find the distance of his school from his house. Okay. So what we have discussed, if there are two speeds S1 and S2 and there is a difference of time as well as difference of speed is mentioned, their distance will be equal to S1 into S2 into delta t means difference of time divided by difference of speed, right? So I'll solve it. What is S1? S1 in this question given 4 km per hour and S2 is 3 km per hour. So 4 into 3, right? Into difference of time. What's the difference of time? One is at 10 minutes earlier, next at 10 minutes late. So 10 plus 10, one is earlier, one is late, so it will be summed up 20, right? What is the difference of speed? Difference of speed is 4 km and 3 km means 1. But we have to multiply it with 60 in the denominator because this time difference of time is given in minutes, but all other data are in hour and km. So it will be changed to hour. 20 by 60 will be there. So what is there? 23 is a 60, 3 3 gone, 3 3 gone. So it's 4. 4 km is the answer. This is as simple as it. Okay. It can be done in less than 30 seconds, I think. Okay. So 4 km is the distance between the places. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Moving to the next one. Number 14. If a train runs 70 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 12 minutes. But if it runs 80 km per hour, it gets late by 3 minutes. The correct time to cover the journey is. So how will you solve it? What we have learned? We have learned speed is inversely proportional to time and S1 upon S2 is equals to T2 upon T1, right? So in this case, what is S1? 70. What is S2? It's 80. Means it's 7 upon 8 or 7 is to 8 is the ratio of S1 and S2. So what is the ratio of T1 is to T2? It will be 8 is to 7, right? It will be interchanged. 8 is to 7. So what's the difference in time in this case? 1, but it's 1 unit, okay? This 1 unit is equivalent to, it says that it reaches the destination late by 12 minutes and in the next case it is late by 3 minutes. Both are getting late. So it will be subtracted. 12 minus 3 is equals to 9 minutes late. Right? This is minute. So this 1 unit is equivalent to 9 minute. Right? So this 8 will be equivalent to 8 into 9, 72 minutes. But is it the answer? 72 minutes will be the answer? No, because it says in the first case, it says it reaches its destination late by 12 minutes. So if it is late by 12 minutes, then it will be minus 12. So 60 minutes is the actual time. The correct time to cover the journey is 60 minutes. Then 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So 1 hour will be the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Moving to the next one. Points A and B are 70 km apart on a highway. A car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 7 hours. But if they travel towards each other, they meet, okay, it's no aim will be there, in 1 hour. Find the speed of the two cars. So how do you solve it? It is a simple process. Look at this carefully. Here it says there are 2 points A and B on a highway, right? A car is moving towards the same direction, meets after traveling 7 hours. So if they are meeting here after 7 hours, this total A to B is 70 km. Clear? It's a good question. Try to understand it clearly. After 7 hours, both are meeting, right? Both are going to the same direction, right? So if they are going to the same direction, suppose A speed is x km and B speed is y km per hour, right? So after 7 hours, they are meeting here. Clear? So how much distance? What we know? We know distance is equals to speed into time. So in this case, distance 1 is equals to 7x and distance 2 is equals to 7y. So if we subtract distance 1 from distance 2, then we get 70 km, right? So we can build a simple equation, d1 minus d2 is equals to 70. Clear? So there will be 7x minus 7y is equals to 70. So x minus y will be equalized to 10. In the next condition it says that but if they travel towards each other, so it will be minus. What? They meet in 1 hour. So in a middle point, suppose it is a D, point D, it is point C and it is point D. They are traveling for 1 hour each. They are traveling towards each other, so it will be x minus y. So if in this case 1x plus 1y, right? Because it is going for 1 hour, so 1x plus 1y is equals to 70, right? Means x plus y equals to 70. So we're getting two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. We can now get the speeds easily. X minus y is equals to 10, right? If we sum it up, y will be gone, so 2x will be equals to 80, so x will be 40. So 40 and 30 can be the options, but there is an option for 20 and 40, so I have to do it. So x minus y is equals to 10, so y will be 30. Clear? So y is 30 and x is 30, right? And x is 40, so 40 and 30 will be the answer. I hope it is clear too. I have solved it in a simple way. I hope it's clear to you. If you have any question, still you can comment or ask. Okay, moving to the next one. Walking at the rate of 4 km per hour, a man covers certain distance in 2 hours 45 minutes. Running at a speed of 16.5 km per hour, the man will cover the same distance in how many minutes? So how will you solve it? It's a simple question. Look at it carefully. Speed is 4 km per hour and time is given 2 hours 45 minutes. 45 minutes, 2 hours 45 minutes means 2 plus 3 by 4 hour. How? This 45 minutes means 45 upon 60 hour is equals to 3 by 4 hour. So it is 11 by 4 hour. What do we know? We know distance is equals to speed into time, means it will be 4 into 11 by 4 hour. What is the total distance? Total distance is then 11 km. It says running at the speed of 16.5 km per hour, the man will cover the distance in how many minutes? So their time will be equals to distance upon speed. So 11 km divided by 16.5, and the answers are in minute. So we have to multiply with 60, and 10 will be there. It will be 15. It will be 4. So 40 minute is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Moving to the next one. Number 17 says Sarthak completed a marathon in 4 hours 35 minutes. The marathon consisted of a 10 km run followed by a 10 km cycle ride and the remaining distance again a run. He ran the first stage at 6 km per hour and then cycled at 16 km per hour. How much distance did Sarthak cover in total if his speed in the last run was just half of the first run? So it will be 6. It was 6, so it will be 3 km per hour, right? And here is 4 hour 35 minutes. What does 4 hour 35 minutes mean? 35 minutes means 35 upon 60 means 7 by 12. So 4 hours, it will be 4 plus 7 by 12 hour. So it will be 55 upon 12 hour. So here we can make a simple equation like what we know. We know time is equals to distance upon speed. So 10 by 6 plus 20 by what 16 plus we don't know the total, let it be x minus 30 upon 3 is equals to 55 upon 12. We can further break it into 5 by 3, 5 by 4 plus x by 3 minus 10, 30 by 3, 10, right? 55 upon 12, right? So what can we do now? X by 3 will be there and it will be 5 plus 5 and 10 means 12, 12, 20, 20, 15, 20 plus 15 minus 120 divided by 12 plus x by 3 is equals to 55 by 12, right? In the next it is 8, it will be 85, right? So x by 3 is equals to 85 by 12 minus, it will be minus, it will be minus, so it will be 85 by 12 on that side. So and 55 by 12 means 140 by 12. So 3 fours and it will be 4, 3 and 5. So 35. So value of x will be 35 km. Clear? It has just asked if its speed, how much distance did as a total. So it's 35 is the total. Total speed is asked, so 35 km will be the answer. Clear? You just have to calculate this much. If you have a good calculation speed, you don't take much time, nearly a minute. Okay? I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Moving to the next one. A, B and C start at the same time in the same direction to run around a circular stadium. A completes a round in 252 seconds, B in 308 seconds and C in 198 seconds. All starting at the same point. After what time will they next meet at the starting point again? So how do you solve it? Okay, first of all you just clear a concept of this. Like if from point A, three people X, Y and Z. Okay, X, Y, take just X, Y. Starts and X completes the round in 2 minutes, where Y can complete it in 3 minutes. So when will they meet? At the same point, at the starting point. The LCM of them means, because in that time the round is the same 2 pi r, right? But they are completing one at 2 minutes and one in 2 minutes, one in 3 minutes. So in sixth minute they will meet each other in the starting point, right? What is this? It is the LCM. So in this question we have to follow the same thing. A completes in 252 seconds, B completes in 308 seconds and C in 198 seconds, right? So what have we discussed earlier in previous chapters, that how do we calculate the LCM? We take the maximum value of its factors. It's not this, it will be this. So 252 is equals to, what do you know? 252 means 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 4, 7, 14, 14, 9. So there will be 2, 3 again. So we can write it like 2 square into 3 square into 7, right? What is 308? 308 is 77 into 4, yes, 4. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 means 2 square into 7 into 11, right? And what is 198? 198 is 99 into 2. So 2 into 9 into 11 means 2 square. It's not 2 square, it will be 2 only. 2 into 3 square into 11. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be, maximum value of 2 is 2 square, then 3 square is the maximum value of 3, then 7, then 11, right? And these are all in seconds, but the questions are in minute and second. So it will be in minute if we have to get it in minute, then we have to divide it by 60, right? So in 60 it's 4, so 4 15, 15 in 9 in 3 will, there will be 3 and 3 5s are, so it will be 33 into 7. 33 into 7 means 33 into 7 upon 5. It means 231 upon 5. So how much will be it? It is near to 5 fours. 5 fours are 20 and then 5 6 30. So 46 minutes 12 seconds will be the answer. How have I done it? We have to do it like this. 5 fours are 20. It's 31, right? So 5 6 are 30. 1 is there, but there is no option of 46 minutes and more. So one option is there with 46 minutes. So 46 minutes to the answer. Otherwise, we have to multiply it with 60 and 12 60 is a, sorry, 12 5 is a 60. That's how 46 minutes 12 seconds. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you should question. Okay. Moving to the next one. Two guns are fired from the same place at an interval of 6 minutes. A person approaching the place observes that 5 minutes 52 seconds have elapsed between the hearing of the sound of the two guns. If the velocity of the sound is 330 meters per second, the man was approaching the place at what speed? So there are two guns, gun 1 and gun 2. Both are being fired at an interval of 6 minutes, where 5 minutes 52 seconds have been elapsed because the 5 minutes 52 seconds has been elapsed because the man was approaching the place. So what is the difference? Difference is 8 seconds. The sound has moved for 8 seconds. So in 8 seconds the distance covered by the sound is 8 into 333, right? Whereas the person has moved this much distance, that's why the sound has been changed for 5 minutes 52 seconds, which was 6 minutes actually. Then there is a speed, and the total time of elapsing is 5 minutes 52 seconds means 352 seconds. This is actually nothing but distance is equals to speed into time. There is just the difference of time is given, which we are multiplying with the velocity of the sound. So how we'll do it? It's 8 ones are, sorry, 8 fours are, and 8 fours are, 11 fours are, 11 threes are, 30s are. Okay. Oh well, so what we are getting, 30 upon 4 into 18 by 5 we have to get, because the answer is required in kimi per hour. It was given in meter per second. Okay, so 5 6 are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 9s are. So 27 is the answer. Speed is 27 km per hour. Clear? The sound, the velocity of sound is given 330 meter per second, and it has moved for 8, it has the change of the time is 8 seconds, so it has moved for 8 into 333, and speed is the required thing, and the time elapsed were 352 seconds. 5 minutes 52 seconds means 352 seconds. 300 seconds plus 52, 352 seconds. Clear? So that's how we are getting S equals to 27. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you will ask your queries. Okay. Moving to the next one. From two places 60 km apart, A and B start towards each other at the same time and meet each other after 6 hours. Had A traveled with 2/3 of its speed and B traveled with double of its speed, they would have met after 5 hours. The speed of A is. So I will solve it. If you will solve with x and y, like A's speed is x, B's speed is y, it will take a lot of time. We have to solve it with testing the options. How? Look at the option 3 and 4. Can these be the right options? No, because it's 10 km and it's 12 km. If it will, A will run for 6 km, it will be covering 60 km, and it will be covering 72 km, but total is 60 km. There some part of these are covered by B also. So 10 and 12 cannot be the right options. Next, in the next part, the question is hinting that if he had traveled with 2/3 of his speed and B traveled with double of his speed, they would have met after 5 years. Sorry, 5 years, not 5 hours. So the answer should be a multiple of this 3, otherwise it will be in decimal, right? So there is only one option is multiple of 3, which is 6 km per hour. Is this satisfying? We're trying to satisfy it. If it is not, then it will be 4. Okay, 6 km per hour. If it is working for 6 km per hour, and 6 and 6 is 36 hours. 36 km is covering by A. So the rest is 24 km. B is covering 24 km. So 24 km with 6 hours means the speed is 4 km per hour. 4 km per hour, right? And in the next it says had it traveled two-thirds of its speed. Two-thirds means two-thirds of, this is 6 km, so two-thirds of 6 is 4 km per hour. Two-thirds of 6, right? And in this case it will be 8 km per hour, and both have been done, both have walked for 5 hours. So 5 hours means 20 km, and this is 5 means 40 km, total is 60 km. So the effective is 12 and the total 5 is 60. 12 into 5 is 60, so it is 60 km, so it is satisfying the all conditions. So option 2 is the right answer. So you have to first find that two-thirds of the speed is given, so the answer should be a multiplication of 3. Otherwise it will be in decimal, it will be a tough one. So multiplication of 3 is 6 here, so if 6 is satisfying, then it is okay, it is the answer. You can solve it like this, otherwise you have to assume or let x and y, means a speed is x, then you have to 6x and 6y equals to 60. This will be a lengthier process, so I think this is the shortest process to solve it. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding any question which we have discussed this in this video or earlier in a class, any earlier classes, you can ask. Okay, thank you.